have multiple bank accounts that you usually manage or multiple e-wallets, and it's difficult to stay on top of finances. Introducing SecureBank AI, a one-stop shop application consolidating all your financial banking accounts that reduces manual labor and intelligently categorizes transactions. So right here, we show our potential clients a preview of the core features that our bank application shows. We have transaction management where clients have the opportunity to import data or manually enter transactions. And then secondly, we have AI categorization. And then thirdly, a unified dashboard where it displays real-time balances, spending trends, and category breakdowns.
So in the dashboard page, right away, the one thing that we really want to focus on is the visibility. We really want to have a very central location that you're able to view all your data, all however it be your spending, your loans, or some of your past transactions that you've had. But one of the main features that we really wanted to tackle was AI integration. And first things first, we wanted to focus on AI categorization. And even myself, I hate when it comes having to fill out data manually. For example, filling different categories, like where is it that this transaction is going to lie under the category. So all you have to do now is, for example, today I had Starbucks, so I'm just going to add Starbucks drinks. It cost me about $12. So even without having to manually enter in the category, once you submit, we can see that with the model that we fine-tuned, which was the distilled BERT model, we're able to accurately, with a pretty high confidence, we had a mini LM model that we used for our chat assistant, and we utilized that to figure out what the user wanted. I just added, can you add $50 for dinner tonight? And we're able to see that, okay, do we want to add $50 for dinner under the food and dining category? So the food and dining category is able to figure out through the model that we fine-tuned, and the intent we're able to figure out through a separate model that we were working with. So once I hit confirm, we can see that's completed. And you can also see once we refresh, right there, dinner tonight is added as well. So this AI assistant is also connected with other features in our component as well. So now it's able to manually update based on the user intent as well. So that's the last thing I wanted to show you.
Actually, we have the budget system. You can set the budget, and whenever you close to the budget, like on the 70% of your budget, the AI will warning you, hey, you spend like 70% of your budget this week or this month. And also, when you get really
Oh,
over the budget, the AI warning you, hey, you spend over the budget. You could save money by doing this and that stuff, or cut on this expense so you can save your money, something like that.
well, I would say just trust your team. At first, like I said, personally for me, I was custom working solo, especially at Coding Temple. And then the tech residency threw off a little bit for me. But eventually, I just got accustomed learning the strengths and weaknesses of the other team members, but obviously played off the strengths of others just to complement myself because I'm not strong in certain areas where my other teammates are. For example, for myself, I wasn't really aware of the AI implementations where Jay and Adi were. So they were the main people that were leading that section. So that's what I would say. Just trust your teammates and then don't be afraid to coordinate with each other and make sure you're staying communicative.
Key components of this project and residency itself is really just being able to communicate, making sure that, because sometimes what ends up happening is some features that you thought were being added, your team on the back end may not have that implemented. So just really focusing on like letting everyone know, kind of following the plan and really talking to each other. And I think that is probably the best advice I could give.